Journal of Gratitude. Being born. Everyone is created for a specific purpose. Realizing our mistakes. Making mistakes is part of growing up. With a teachable heart, mistakes will lead us to be a better person. Occupations. Whatever it is, we are contributing something good to the world. Little voices in your head that guide you with an unexplainable accurate way when making hard decisions. Simply doing nothing, but counting or reflecting on our blessings. Hands, to hold and to hug our loved ones. Passing on a good deed forward. Simple kindness, when multiplied by millions of beings, can actually transform the world, right? Overcoming challenges. By stepping out of our comfort zone, only then we will realize that we are stronger than we think. Being sick, so we can appreciate and maintain our health. Our talents, especially when we can use it to bless others. Loving, the cheapest way to happiness. And whimsical imagination. And finally, turning it into something real. A long wait of something we really want that teaches us to be more patient and mature in the process. A tiring day, so we can embrace the presence of things we love to do the most. Days to sleep in for literally more than 8 hours straight. So, what are the things you are grateful for in your life so far?